Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to set up an encrypted check on top of SmartV login. This is useful if you want to make sure that your user is not only authenticated, but is also authorized to view the information that you sent them. So, as you can see, I have a project set up here with super confidential information that only our account manager should be able to view. The way I have SmartV set up is I'm allowing any contact in my system to log into this project. So if we preview this project and log in as just any regular contact, you can see I'm allowed into the project and I can view this confidential information. So what we're going to do is we're going to pass the actual account manager's encrypted ID in the URL, and we're going to make sure upon login that the ID in the URL is equal to the encrypted ID of the logged in user. So the first thing we have to do is we have to head over to Tools, Custom Variables, and add a new custom variable for our encrypted ID. This is going to be mapped from the URL. So let's hit Apply, and let's go over to our SmartV setup. Let's create a new parameter which will hold our logged in user ID. So let's call it SmartV encrypted ID. We want to pass the encrypted ID of the logged in user and generate SmartV login. Now, we want to set up a new every time page action that will check if my encrypted ID is not equal to the logged in user ID. What we want to do is we want to change the text and not allow them to view it. So now, if we save and preview our project, what we want to do is take our account manager encrypted ID, map it to our variable, and let's first try logging in as a regular contact. And you can see I cannot view this information. No matter what I do, if I reload this page, I will never be able to view this information. But if we now sign out and log in as our account manager, I can view the super confidential information. And that's how it's done.